Hey everybody, it's Kevin Ryan, your math teacher. So we're moving to online, and I wanted to kind of show you around a little bit exactly what where everything is. Right now I'm at riohondo.edu, and this is just your Rio Hondo website. And I'm going to go to Canvas. So I did incorporate Canvas, even though I wanted to keep it mostly MyMathLab, which it definitely is. But Canvas definitely had to be pulled in to do this. So you'll just log into Canvas the way that you would log into anything into Rio Hondo. It's the same entry stuff. And you'll click on your shell for the class that you're taking. And here are modules. And right here, if you click on modules, this will take you back to this exact same screen every time. And I've only set it up for a couple of weeks because I'm hoping it's only for a few weeks, then I can see you in person, and it's not a big deal. The welcome is here. It's just a picture of me. Oh, it's not coming up right now, but hopefully it'll come up for you. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll fix it. By the way, Chrome tends to work better. Right now I'm using Safari, so some of the images don't come up as well, but you don't need to see a picture of me anyway, so that's fine. My email address, which I'll be checking regularly. And I'd put your syllabus here. There's another thing I'm supposed to do. But here's the main thing as far as you functioning. So March 16th is this Monday, and you have several things to do. There's a link directly to MyMathLab, which I'll click on here in a second. There's a few other things, kind of cool things I actually found to help you out. But you're going to be expected in MyMathLab to do these sections and have them done by the end of Sunday is the hope. They're not due Sunday, but just so that to give you kind of deadlines to kind of keep you caught up with everything, we do that. In addition to that, I set up a discussion board, which I'm going to show you now. Oh, I forgot. I have notes that the notes that you normally do that we do in class. I have them filled in. They're not perfect, and there's some that aren't totally filled in, but hopefully you can adapt to that and get that going. So these are in conjunction with the notes that are in MyMathLab, which I'll go to in just a second. But I want to show you the discussion board. So this is going to sort of be our lifeline, how we're going to communicate with one another. Anytime you have a question, post it here. If you just want to say something or have a funny joke or something interesting that happened, go ahead and throw it down here. I do want to show you a cool feature. This button here is the Insert Math Equation button. And you can put in whatever you need to put in. So if you need to put in a sigma, for standard deviation, all that kind of stuff is just there, and you just insert it right into the discussion as you're trying to ask questions about it. And
or you can say, if you want to post a picture and post it, you're welcome.
Oh, so my wife just gave me a great suggestion. She said, if you want to post a picture of a question or something like that, you can take a picture with your camera and post it right into here as well. So it all works out pretty well. I want to go back. Actually, I'm going to go forward to the next week. By the way, you'll notice there's a week gap because that's spring break. But I want to click on the MyMathLab tab, which you can go to MyMathLab the same way you've been going to MyMathLab, not an issue. It's no problem. You'll just sign in like you normally do, and you'll just log in. I hope everyone is healthy and safe and everything's going well, and I get to see you again soon is my hope. So I'm going to go to here, and here's my regular MathLab. We have all sorts of cool stuff. Again, Chrome works a little bit better on things like this. But I did want to go to, where was that? Tools for Success. This is a huge resource. Multimedia Library is the huge resource, and I want to show you how cool this is. So let's go to chapter 6, section 2, since I didn't lecture on that yet. I'm going to select all, and I want to show you some of the amazing things that come up. There are exercise videos that you can see. The big one is the section lecture video lectures. This is going to be sort of like my lecture. This is it here. As we look at this, and this is broken down in a way into these video clips. So these make up this here, but this is sort of the main one. It's only about 14 minutes long for this particular section. Multimedia textbook. The PowerPoint are kind of cool. If you want to look through that, it's a download. You have to have PowerPoint, of course, to view it. Yeah, so you can kind of go through and look at these as you're looking at the videos as well. However you want to do it, but these are amazing resources as you do this. One of the things that I want to just remind you of, email should just be for specific issues that pertain to you as an individual. Everything class-related, homework questions, quiz questions, everything like that, all of that should be posted onto the discussion board in Canvas. And once again, if you click on modules, it takes you back where you can go to the discussion board directly or whatever. Here's your filled in notes once again for those 2 weeks. The announcements, I will have announcements periodically. Please pay attention to that. And I will also contact you through your Canvas email. Originally in class, I said it's not your Canvas. It's going to be your MyMathLab email, but I'm changing that. It's going to be your Canvas email, so please pay attention to that. I hope to see you soon. I hope that things clear up real fast and we can go back to the regular stuff, but otherwise you have lots of resources, so you take care.